Hey Zach, it's EJ. I showed you just a little bit ago actually that I've been working on some guitar methods and stuff like that, and just working on chords and just kind of wanting to, get into the whole zone, get to know the chords, get to know everything, and I just wanted to show you some stuff and kind of give you a picture of how I'm doing with it. So hope you like it. I'm just going to jam out for a little bit, so here we go. There's some of it. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know how you feel.